about 2 hours. Bathroom shot. Oh my gosh, what is that? If it comes this way, I might freak out.
Around like all the time around here?
Oh, you know, just casually sunbathing on the grounds. But he's so interesting looking. So did you get me?
I got you.
Oh my gosh. Out of there. I got this new lip gloss a couple weeks ago at BeautyCon called Rude. So this is how it looks. I think it dries so pretty. It's matte. So I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Hi guys, I'm standing here in front of the patio in our hotel room. It's such a gorgeous day. I just want to give you a quick room tour before I get ready to go to the pool and mess up the entire room trying to get ready. The beach is literally like right next to the pool. I'm going to show you guys that. But first, the room tour. So right outside our door, you can see the city side. So gorgeous. Okay, so there's like this nice overhead shower, and the floors are so cool. Love the floors. There's a bench that you can sit on, and so there's a second shower head, and that just makes it like awesome for 2 people. So down this whole hallway is like the dresser, huge mirror. I'm just wearing my Brandy Melville 90s inspired dress. There's a fan ceiling, which is pretty nice at night. So here is the bed. And right above the bed is this headboard. Oh, I really love these curtains here. We actually have not pulled them down to use them, but maybe I'll get a shot tonight. And here's a sink area that I really, really love. So it's got double sinks, one basin here. Obviously, I do my makeup and my hair right here. I'm using this little cup as a makeup brush holder while I'm here. And they give you all of the toiletry items that you need. Oh, the balcony, double screened. Remember I told you guys we're gonna go to the pool after? So yeah, see you at the pool. downstairs. It's about 7 o'clock. We've been at the pool all late afternoon from like 4 to 7. We're really hungry now. We're gonna go to this restaurant called Bordeaux. It's a French restaurant. I'm super excited. Delvin is in the shower back there somewhere. He's in the shower right now, but it was a lot of fun. Like, I haven't had a Fanta, like, probably like 5 years. It's good.